Hello and welcome to CS103A. This is Web 1 Online. This is an 8-week course for the fall 2013 semester. I'm glad you decided to enroll in this course, and I want to give you a little brief introduction here. This will just be a few minutes introduction. And what you're looking at on the screen right now is the course modules area. In the course module areas, when you log into the course, you'll be automatically taken to the course modules area. The reason for that is because this is really the driving force, kind of the central hub for this course. Anytime you want to get to a particular assignment, get to course material, you should do that right through the course modules area. You'll also notice that there is a tab here in the menu area for CS103A course info, course assignments, messages. Those would be messages if you want to send me a private message in Blackboard. Questions for the instructor if you want to send questions to me that you think other students could benefit from. You would use this area to do that. And then we'll get into more when we meet on anymeeting.com to talk about some more of the features in here, like the external links, the communication tools, and how we'll use those for this course. Again, this is an 8-week course. The course runs from August 26th through October the 20th. And you'll see here that when you log in to the course modules area that there are folders here. The very first folder is the introduction folder. That, and you'll see here, is for the first 2 days of the course. And what you're going to do with this is click on the link. I have a little audio intro in here for you. This may or may not be here when you start into the course. I'm not sure if I may just use this recording to introduce you to the course right now. You'll see the getting started message that's here. Read through that. You'll also see some tips for online learning. Make sure you read through those, especially if you haven't taken an online course previous to this. Some information about tutoring for online courses. And this is actually a link that will take you to Mount Aloysius College's Learning Commons site, which you can fill out a form to request online tutoring. There's some information about the college email policy as well. And finally, your first assignment for this course, which is a basic discussion. This course is guided very much by discussion. So each module I'll pose a discussion or two, and you'll have to respond to that, what I post in there, and then you'll have to make a response to your peers' postings as well. So for this very first couple days, all I want you to do is provide me with a brief introduction of yourself, kind of get you acclimated to using the discussion area and responding to some of the other students as well. So what you'll do is click on this link, and right now there are other posts in here that I haven't cleared out yet. You'll create a new thread anytime that you want to start a new discussion, which is what you'll be doing. And then when you want to respond to somebody, you will click on that person's link and then click on, let's see here, click on reply here. Okay, so for the very first discussion post, I want you to, again, we're going to go back here for a minute. I want you to create a new thread. Tell me a little bit about yourself. You don't have to write a book. I just want to know who you are. You know, if you've had other college experience, if this is your first college course, what your major is, why you're enrolled in the course, just some general information. And importantly too, I want to get to know you, so tell me a little bit about yourself outside of school or outside of work, you know, your family life, what you like to do for fun, those kind of things as well. Just give me a little reference to get to know you better, as I said. Okay. I'm going to go back to the course modules area here for a minute, so I'm clicking on that link, and I'm going to get started here. You'll take a look. Since this course is 8 weeks, I have here Module 1, which is kind of an introduction week to ICTs in general, Information Communication Technologies. What are they? Okay, so you're going to click on this link here, read through the information. There's a quiz for each module. So read through the information. There will be PowerPoints in there, lots of information for you to take a look at. Make sure you read through all the information, participate in the discussion, and then take the quiz before the end of the week. And for this course, the weeks begin on Monday of each week and end on Sunday before midnight. So all work has to be completed and submitted before Sunday at midnight. So for instance, for week 1, the course begins on August 26th. So Module 1 starts August 26th and it ends Sunday, September 1st at midnight. So all that I'm asking you to do for this course, for this particular module in this week, must be completed before midnight on September 1st. Okay? You'll notice that there is an overlap here, just because, again, this is a condensed course. The first 2 days, the intro, are overlapped August 26th and 27th with the first module as well. So I just want to take in here briefly, and again, we're going to meet on anymeeting.com or using Blackboard Collaborate. I haven't decided which we're going to do yet. I'm leaning toward anymeeting.com at this point because I have a few years experience using that. I've used Blackboard Collaborate only a couple times now, so there's still a lot that I'm learning about Blackboard Collaborate and its features. Although it provides a very rich environment, I'm just not quite familiar with everything that it has to offer yet. So again, leading toward anymeeting.com, what will happen is you'll get an invitation from me to join a meeting, and it's real time. We'll get on and we'll discuss it. We can chat. We can see each other if you turn on your web cameras and all that fun stuff as well. Okay. So Module 1, here it is. I'm going to click in here and show you this for a minute. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. There's a lot of information I put in here. I'll start you off with some objectives, things that you should be able to do by the end of this module, provide you with some information about ICTs. Be careful to look out for any time you see anything like this. This is a link. It's a PDF link, so when you click on it, this will open up as a PDF. I'm not going to do it now just for time's sake. Here's a PowerPoint, a communication definition PowerPoint. And then here is your first, in the study of ICTs, your first discussion post. Okay. So once you complete that, and then click on the quiz, and then take the quiz. Again, you have 1 week to complete all of this. We will meet in anymeeting.com in the first few days of the course, and I'll be sending out email invitations for that as well. One more thing, there's a question pool here. It's just a few questions. I want to get to your input on ICTs. So just kind of like a general information about ICTs. Okay. And I'm going to take you back out here so you can get one more look at the course modules area. And again, we'll meet to discuss this more in depth. Welcome again to CS103A Web 1 online. Again, my name is Greg McConnell, and I'm very glad to be your instructor for this 8-week course. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. Take care.